You first. Choose one. What do you want? Cash or prize?
Rice.
One more. Another again. Just one. What do you want? Cash or prize?
Rice.
Prize. Where's your cash? And give your prize. And please go back to your relatives. Thank you. Just one. What do you want? Cash or prize? Why? Your cash is more. Mama, sorry. Okay, sorry. Okay, just kidding. Okay. Thank you so much, Peter. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, for the next, bring me guys, everyone listen. I'm looking for a cell phone. Go, cell phone, everyone, cell phone. One, two, this one, nice. This is here. Come here, baby, come here. Is this for me? Is this for me? Is this for me? Thank you. Alam ko para sa akin. Come here, baby. Come here. Kids, everyone listen. So sa mga relatives po o mga mommy daddy, isa lang po yung pwedeng manalo dito. Pero 3 prizes po yung ibibigay ko. 3 prizes para sa magiging winner. So boys and girls, open po natin yung cellphone. Open. Our cellphone, open. If may password, mga mami sir, pwede po natin tulungan. Open po natin yung cellphone. Open. And open. Where's the cellphone? Hey, kuya po. Here. I'm sorry, ma'am. Kaya naman po isa lang po. Okay. Ano ko naman na lang po, ma'am? Okay. Kids, open po natin yung camera mode. Open the camera mode. Where's the camera mode? Okay, open the camera mode, guys. Camera. Yeah, this one. Sa mga manager po natin, ulit ko lang po. Isa lang po yung pwede maging winner. Pero 3 prizes po. Yan, yung tatanggap po nila. Open po natin yung camera mode, guys. Kasi yung mechanics po natin dito is selfie game. So kids, everyone listen. Take a selfie. Wacky face. Selfie wacky face, everyone. Selfie wacky face, everyone. Selfie wacky face. Selfie wacky face, selfie. Where's your selfie wacky face? Take a selfie wacky face, wacky. Take a selfie wacky face, everyone. Selfie wacky face. Where's your selfie wacky face? Okay. I take one by one. You first. Wow, that's usually good. So, yes, very good. Okay. You. Okay, show your chest. So, okay, very good. So, you. Okay, very good. Okay, very good. Pretty girl, show your wacky face. Yeah, very good. Show. No, wait, the video. Okay, yeah. Where's your selfie wacky face, pretty boy? That's great. Wow, very good. Okay, wow. 10% audience impact. Okay. Okay, so ulit ko lang po ha, mga ma'am and sir, isa lang po yung pwede manalo. Pero 3 prizes po, yung matatanggap po nila. For the next selfie, boys and girls, everyone listen. Selfie together with your mommy. No, selfie together with your mommy. Careful guys, careful. Selfie together with your mommy. Okay. So, come here, you first. Okay, very good. naman si Kuya naman. Yan. I'll take one by one. You first. Okay, very good. Precious happy there with your mommy. That's good. Very good. Very good. So, here. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay, for the next selfie, guys, everyone is a selfie. Together with your daddy. Go, daddy!
Thank you.
Or kuya, daddy or kuya.
Halo.